ball spends as much time as it's done in midfield today. It's no surprise the scoring is low.
Down the Fulham road we're burning with ambition. The first division is where we want to be. And if you've seen what a team we've got this season, you know the reason we'll get there easily. But first we're heading down the Wembley way to show the world that we can really play. Oh, this year we're gonna win the cup. Hey, viva el Fulham. The next year you know we're going up. Hey, viva el Fulham. Alan M is a wonder, that's for sure. Hey, viva el Fulham. And Bobby, well, do we need to say more? It's Fulham, por favor. Tommy Trinder used to hide behind his drill beat.